because I cannot choose what I'm wearing for tomorrow for my calendar. One
Okay.
is for choosing my clothes.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait for me. Thank you.
Okay, I wait for you.
Butter
Butter
service.
service, butter service.
Come here.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I'm Che, your butler.
Good morning. I have a problem for my clothes. I don't know what I'm wearing for tomorrow.
Can I ask you if what is your attending?
Only
tomorrow?
participants.
Participants. What is your what is you want to
I want simple but elegant.
dress, ma'am?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
What color, ma'am?
Maybe just black.
Black. I think this one, ma'am. It's nice for you. And
Yeah.
how about your shoes, ma'am? You want simple, with heels or without heels?
A little bit maybe.
A little bit. This one, ma'am, with diamond design. Wow, it's nice,
Wow,
ma'am.
it's nice, great.
Very nice.
You're looking good, ma'am. And how about your pouch, ma'am? I think this one is
Perfect.
perfect for your attire. It's
Yeah.
only handy.
That's okay, no problem. Because I want me only simple but elegant.
Okay, ma'am. How about your ma'am? Accessories?
Yeah, just only simple ring.
Simple.
Ang sa'yo yan.
This one, ma'am. Earrings.
Oh,
It's just a simple, small but terrible.
yes, nice.
I'm joking,
Props
ma'am.
lang.
Yes, good.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you.
And how about your necklace, ma'am?
No, I don't need.
Okay. Bracelet, ma'am.
It's okay. So, just for only participants, only too much jewelry.
Makeup and hair, ma'am. Do you want me to assist you?
No, just only remind me for my wake-up call because it's only in the morning. I want to give me a call for maybe 7 o'clock because 8 o'clock my convention.
Okay, ma'am. I write it down to my notes to prepare for you tomorrow. And then I call you at 6 a.m., right?
Right. Because I need to prepare. And thank you for your helping me for choosing my clothes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.